Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. Today in this video, we'll be revealing the teaser of Raymond Realty new residential lounge under the name of the HS by TS, located at Wadala East, opposite to Monorail Depot near Lodha NCP. Now as you can see, I'm standing at the actual location of the land parcel. Behind me is the sales office. Now let me take you to the main road surrounding in the neighborhood. Now as you can see, I'm standing at the main entrance of the Raymond Realty, showing you the main road. The left hand side road connects to the BKC connector road and right hand side connects to the GTB monorail. Now in this teaser, we'll be discussing about the below following points: project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discounts, offers and many more. First one is the project overview, but before that let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price and 100% guarantee. Unlike other current listing platforms whereby if you just do an inquiry, your number gets shared with multiple brokers, resulting in lots and lots of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream home right now with your favorite developer through Housey. Now talking about the project overview, this project will be constructed over 6 acres of land parcel consisting of 7 towers, now launching 2 towers consisting of 4 levels of basement, ground, podium, eco deck, 31-story residential floors having premium residencies of 2 and 3 BHK with the view of skyline, Atal Setu and city view. Now talking about the location part, this project is located at Wadala East opposite to Monorail Depot near Lodha NCP. Talking about connectivity, monorail is 1 minute, Eastern Freebie is 4 minutes, Bandra Worli Sailing is 15 minutes away, International Airport 20 minutes away, Atal Setu is 15 minutes away. This project has 50 plus luxurious amenities with likes of swimming pool, 45,000 square feet lavish clubhouse, gymnasium, kids play area, lush landscape garden, bowling alley, meeting area and many more. Now talking about the carpet area, this project has premium residencies of 2 and 3 BHK. Talking about 2 BHK, it has configuration of 696 to 826 square feet carpet area. 3 BHK has 1022 to 1316 square feet carpet area. Now talking about the booking process. Project booking window is open. Client can come and visit the site. Our sales team will explain the complete project in detail with the help of a 3D model. We'll tell you the pricing and payment schemes too. We'll show the actual location of the project. And if the client like it, they can proceed ahead with the token amount. So everyone, this was the entire teaser of Raymond Realty new residential lounge located at Wadala East opposite to Monorail near Lodha NCP.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.